Alright, Jay here. I'm going to show you how to check fuses with a test light. Test light kind of looks like a screwdriver. It's got a pointy tip on the end of it though. And the other end of it has a negative lead. It goes to a ground. Now you can use the ground off the battery if you're checking fuses underneath the hood. Or you can just find any type of like metal ground somewhere inside the vehicle if you're checking fuses inside the vehicle. The reason why you want to check fuses with a test light is because the test light is the most effective way of verifying whether a fuse is good and getting power. You can have a good fuse, but it's not getting power, which helps determine certain diagnostic things. So to check fuses, all fuses have little openings on the back side for this type of purpose, for checking. So you want to take your test light and stick it in the back end of the fuse. When you stick it in, it'll light up. Now it will do that on each side of the fuse. Okay? So when you're going through and checking fuses, you can see that these fuses are all getting power on both sides. So if they're getting fuses on both sides, that means that fuse is good and that circuit is good and that fuse is getting power. Now if you get a blown fuse, you'll find out one side will light up and the other side would not. So that means that fuse would be blown and that fuse would need to be replaced. So that is the most effective way of checking fuses. Visually looking at them, you can't always tell. By using a test light, you can definitely verify that a fuse is blown, because some of these new fuses are so small you can't see the break in them. So using a test light to check fuses is the most recommended way of verifying whether a fuse is good and if it's getting power. Thanks.